Hello friends, today, in this video, I will show you how to replace Google Gemini Assistance with Google Assistant in countries where it hasn't launched yet. First, Google launched Gemini AI Assistance on February 8th in the US, but it is not available in countries like India and Pakistan. If you see, my mobile now has Google Assistant installed, but now I want to replace it with Gemini aka Bard. First, you need to search for the APK mirror in any browser and open the first site, and then tap on the search icon on the right corner and search for Gemini. Scroll down and tap on the Gemini app to download it. Then install it from the Downloads folder. Then you have to open it and set it up. Now you can search anything. For example, I search for "Tell me a joke." It is working perfectly. If I show you by pressing the Assistance button, you can see that it has been successfully replaced. If you found this video even a little bit helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get notifications of interesting videos coming in the future in your top bar.